In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reveal the entire map in GTA 5. So, as you can see, my map is pretty hidden and I can't see anything. So, the first thing you wanna do is download this mod. It's called Menu. So, I will show you how to download it right now. But I'm just gonna show you what this actually does. So, when I go to MISC, I go down here to HUD and I click reveal entire minimap. This will basically allow me to, let me just go back to GTA 5. So this basically will allow me to reveal the entire map, as you can see, just by clicking on that. So in order to download this mode, first I'm just gonna leave this game just to demonstrate. I'm just gonna go out like this. So first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome. I'm gonna open one right now, and then you want to type in menu mod. Over here, go to this website, and then let's just wait for it. Then click download. After you download this, go here, type in script hook v, and then you want to download this one as well. So go down here and download this one. Let me see, this is the one you should download. So after you downloaded these two folders, let's go to Epic Games, and here go to library, open. So I can't open it because I have it opened, so let me just close it. Task manager. I'm just gonna close GTA from here, and it's closed, so I should be able to see this button. So if you go to manage right here and click on this, then let me just close this down. Now what you want to do is open your downloads folder, and you should be able to see two downloaded folders. So what you want to do is click on script hook v and click on bin. And then what you're gonna do is select all of the .dll folders, then copy them, and then you want to paste them inside of your GTA folder. Then you want to do the same here. So if you go to menu mod, you want to copy menu staff and menu.asi, copy, and then just paste them like this. So after you do this, you should be all done. So if you go back to Epic Games and then click on manage, you want to make sure you have this written dash no battle I, then enable it. After this, you should be able to launch the game. So I'm just gonna launch the game here. Okay guys, as you can see, I have opened the game. So same way, what you're gonna do as I did before, as you can see, your map is not loaded. So to operate this mode, just press on F8 and you should be able to see this mod menu. And if you go down to MISC options, and if you go down all the way to HUD, here HUD options, and enable reveal entire minimap, and then let me just leave this. As you can see, this will basically reveal your entire map easily. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.